Woo! Baby!
Where to?
Let's get out of this. Let's go a little bit this way more. And then we'll just kind of start riding the bank.
The bank?
Yeah, we're just...
Are we going in the middle or the left or the right?
I'll let you pick the left or the right.
You want to go on the edge?
I do, but I'm looking at the rocks. See that big old rock sticking out?
Oh, yeah.
So it looks... Ooh. I don't know if the side over there...
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, we can try around. Yeah. Get us closer to the... Baby, you a boss. Oh no, you trying to go up in there, huh?
What?
No, get us closer to the bank.
I can't hear you. You're talking the other way.
Closer to the bank.
Okay.
You got a lot of rocks right here. Oh, biggins. Dude, everything looks like it's moving weird. So fucking weird. So you're gonna go in like this, or?
Yeah. Just watch it out for the rocks.
There we go. Straighten her up and see if we can float alongside. Oh, oh, big stick right there. Careful. Very shallow. Very shallow. Fuck. Alright, that's perfect actually. There you go.
Okay, go ahead, fit.
Steer it.